Hello, my name is Jason J.R. Cabrabulla. Tours travel in the city of Duitama. It is coin and the part of Boyacá and is located in the department Boyacá. Duration of the train is light dirt, day and 2 nights. Activities to do. First day visit the Smile of Boyacá which presents the culture of some thought or sitting is the department of Boyacá. First names make a boarding and can and the airport of the city which overlong the province of Tundama. Second day, take on tour of the city and visiting the Libertador Park, Carmen Park, Solano Park. Second link, thinking of a dinners with the typical dinners of the region in the Cabañal restaurant. Third night, a tour of the Zarza ecologic train the Irkayers out part of which is done on horseback and another on a bird outside raising a beautiful waterfall. Typical foods: boyacense tamal bacon fans with chocolate. Lucent boyacen saint Koshuko with backbone. Dinner con perfumes, drinks, chicha natural, viewers preferring freijoa. Un costo, costs, the total value of the rates for road parking is for 115,000 per person. Gracias.